The lines with Hitchin up and moving on. We're at a car show. Me and my brother, and got our cars in here, but I'm gonna walk you through the car show. It's in Hettick, Illinois. They put on a big old feast here for you. All these cars, this ain't even half the cars that usually show up. We had a big rainy day today. And I'm just gonna walk you through and let you see some of this stuff, and hope you enjoy it. An old T-Bird. Panel van. Big block in this panel van. Plus SS Nova. Beautiful car. Camaro sitting next to it. It's a beautiful car too.
He's had that boat all year.
I do. Little Impala SS. See too many of them around anymore. Pretty clean car. Back this up a little bit. And we have a really nice looking Barracuda sitting over here in this baby blue, or kind of a oddball bluish color. It is sharp. I'd be surprised I don't win the show. I don't know, international. I'm doing it. Yeah, it is. I'd be surprised I don't win the show. That's really sharp. I'm doing a little video on everything real quick.
You don't know about these little shows like this.
You got their General Motors truck, old work truck. Sanborn Brothers. Old Chevy Bel Air. Another Chevy work truck. They really do a good job with these trucks. There's a car haulers, and they made it into old truck into a car hauler. Or maybe it came like that originally, I'm not sure. It's sharp. He probably got a car here on it somewhere. I said, this is usually busier than this. I walk down the middle road. That's Camaro Super Sport. Looks like a drag car, set up for drag. Has a Hoosiers on it. Big block in it. We got the old panel truck here. not baby blue, but royal blue. It's a really pretty color.
I said.
My wife used to have one of these and that, put the stripes on it like that. This Nova over here is really sharp though. I think he's probably won a few shows too. Got a mirror underneath the hood. That's a pretty car. And it's a hatchback. You don't see that often. Beautiful interior. Old model. Ford model. I'm gonna say T, but I'm not sure if that. I'm not much on the old cars. Model A. Okay. 1931 Model A Roadster. Okay. That's sharp with the rumble seat in the back. That's your Galaxy 500 two-door. Got an Econoline. They did a really nice job on this too. Swinger's a nice looking car. Pretty much stock. That's a different car. Walking up on this Dodge truck here, which is my brother's, I don't know, truck. He redid years and years ago. It is sweet. I hope he wins something today.
You guys take care.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Oh.
Look at a Jack's truck. That's a sharp truck.
Yeah. We got 2 coins in, but Barry wasn't.
I don't know.
For you. I go, hey, my truck, I can vote for
Bill here.
He goes, but your
These are big old smooth riding cars. T-Bird. There was a couple of them here. I might have missed them over there. And then over here we got an old Chevy truck. That used to be like my 84 Chevy truck I had years ago. It's 3/4 ton. Got 8 miles a gallon whether you like it or not. They like to bring the trucks here. That's some really good, nice painted up old trucks. Giddy up 409. We got an old Chevy car hauler with a Commodore on it. It looks like it could use a little TLC, but they were rare cars. The Hudson Commodore. ZZ Top. You got some. nice looking truck sitting out here. Wrangler Jeep. How you guys doing? Good. Got this old Dodge here. That's an oldie. Needs some work finishing it, but it's going to be neat if it ever gets to finish. Dodge 100. My brother's Mustang. A 500 horsepower engine in it. He's built. It's a buddy of his bug. There. And he's got it lowered. Built low engine. This little black Mustang's mine. So. And my car's not perfect. Linus with Hitchin up, moving on. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Like and subscribe.